Hello, I am Brittany Mills and thanks for tuning in. So today I will be doing a video on a product that I received from a company off of Amazon, and this is the product. It is called Abrit. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Abrit. And let's just start off by saying I love the colors on this box. So basically this is a gel nail polish. So basically this is supposed to help take off your gel polish, gel builder, any type of gel that you have on your nails, toes, anything like that. So today in this video I will just be showing you guys how I remove the gel polish off of my nails. So I have one nail left that I need to remove the gel polish off. So I will be showing you guys how I remove my gel polish. So it comes with 2 gel removers and a manual. So again, this is the gel nail polish remover. So the type of gel that it removes is gel nail polish, soak off gel polish, nail hard gels, builder gels, nail sculpting gels, UV gels, poly gels, and of course so much more. So I would just recommend reading the manual. I love the fact that it comes with 2. Okay, so these are the products that I will be using. I will be using this little nail tool to remove the gel off my nails. I'm going to start off with 1 layer first and just go from there. I can actually feel it working already. And it's basically supposed to be able to remove the gel off your nails within 3 to 5 minutes. You can actually see it working and bubbling. You can see right here from the side that it's starting to lift already. It's starting to lift right here in the corner. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes. I'm just going to try to see if I can pick it up right now. It's coming up just a little bit, but I think it needs a little bit more time. Okay, so while we're waiting, so basically this gel polish remover is supposed to be better than the acetone. It's supposed to be a lot faster than the acetone versus having to soak your nails in the acetone or just use the foil wraps and soak them that way. This is supposed to be a lot easier and convenient. And so far I think so, because for one, it comes in a nail polish bottle. It's easy to carry around if you need it to take it on the go. I think this is pretty good. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and I was able to take a little off, but I'm going to put 1 more layer. Okay, so one thing that I forgot to do, so that's why I mentioned to make sure to read the manual. But even with me forgetting that, you know, to go through those steps from 1 to 4, it still didn't do bad at all. Like I said, it still was able to lift a little bit with just that 1 coat. I still think this is a lot faster than having to soak your nails with the acetone or any other removal product that you may use. So right now it's just chipping off. Okay, so basically here is the finished result. Now I'm going to take my nail buffer. Okay, so here is the finished result. The gel had been removed from my nail. Okay, so I am now finished with my nail once again. I truly hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until my next video.